There's one of the audience members, and now there's the student.
Have you ever looked at a drawing on a two-dimensional surface and been fooled into thinking it was three-dimensional? Well, be fooled no more, because after today, you will learn the skills of drawing just like that. During my speech, I will be showing you the 3 easy steps of drawing a basic cube in 2-point perspective. We will start by creating the horizon and vanishing points. Then we will create the height and width of the box. And lastly, we will connect the vertical lines to their respective vanishing points. In order to properly prepare for drawing in perspective, you'll need to grab a ruler, your choice of a drawing tool, and a piece of paper on a flat, level surface. So let's go ahead and get started now that we have all of those tools. The first step will be to create a line parallel to the top edge of your paper. This is also known as the horizon. Once you have created this line, you can move to the next step. So, using the same line that you created to use as the horizon, you will put 2 points on either end of the horizon, also known as the vanishing points. These vanishing points should be equidistant from the center of the horizon to make sure your cube is structurally sound. Once you're done with this, you can then move to the next step. Using the horizon that you've already created and used as your atmosphere for this cube, draw 3 parallel lines below the horizon, at least 4 inches away from the horizon, and equidistant from each other. Mark the center with the middle of the 3 lines that are perpendicular to the horizon, and make sure that these are both spread out the same amount on both sides, as well as the same distance from the edge to the edge of each vanishing point. Moving on to the next step, where things get a little more intricate, but still manageable, you're going to want to connect the top and bottom of the leftmost line to the vanishing point on the right side, as you can see with the 2 yellow lines going toward this vanishing point on the right. Then you'll want to go to the rightmost line and then complete the top and bottom, extend those lines to the vanishing point on the leftmost side. The rightmost side. And so for that, once you're done with those 2, you'll see the 4 green lines, and that will be most important for you to connect this top and bottom to the vanishing points on both the right and the left. Moving forward from this, you'll want to clean up your cube so you can actually have a finished product. So you'll get rid of all those excess line work drawings, and you'll have a perspective cube using 2-point perspective with the horizon and 3 parallel lines. So today you've learned how to draw a perspective cube using 2-point perspective, and it's 3 easy steps. You'll do the horizon creating, the parallel lines perpendicular to the horizon, and last but not least, once you've done that connection, you can erase all your excess line work and you'll have a beautiful cube. So you no longer will be fooled when you see a 2-dimensional cube.